Hi everyone, version 3 finally is being released. So today I'm going to show you how to update to the latest version of my board. So very simple, go to my ebook chapter 5, click on this Google Drive link. Okay, so you will see this NKS FS Board V3, right click and download. If you don't have this TP adjustment tools, you also can actually make a copy, right click and download. Okay, so basically you will actually download at your download folder. Okay, right now go to your VPS. Okay, connect to your VPS. What you do is just at your download folder, you copy this file, and this is your VPS. I'm actually applying this to a demo account. Okay, just click file, then open data folder, and double click on MQL4 under experts folder, and just right click and paste. Right, so I have this TP adjustment tools in place, but anyway you can just replace it. Okay, done. You can just close the folder, right click on expert advisor, refresh. So you can see the V3 is here. So before you drag the board over to this, the current chart, this is actually a demo account and still trading GBP USD. So you need to actually obtain the new license key. It's for V3. Right, just copy. Okay, so what you need to do is drag my board over to and replace the current version. Once you want to stop the 2.3 and replace with this, click yes. So under common, allow live trading, input, replace the license key, and remember to calculate your lot size. And for the trading hours, is by default Monday start at 3, stop at 23. So Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday is 0 to 23 by default. Friday is 0 to 2. Okay, so you just take the default setting, just change your starting lot size accordingly and click OK. Right, so you can see here if it's still within the trading hours, it will show green color and yes. And this is how you apply to the new version. So if you are doing it on weekend, so you can actually turn on the auto trading, right? So this is how it works, and so you can actually make it even easier to set the trading hours, right? So this is how it works. And also the new features were what do you call, in order not for the user to make mistake. For example, they click on the different time frame of the chart. Example, let's say I click H1, you still go back to M5. See, M30, you still go back to M5. So you will actually lock down the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is how you apply the new version.